Hey guys, it's Eric Green from Tax Rep Network. Please join us January 8th for a very special program, a sit down with Lucifer's banker, how to bring an IRS whistleblower case. So for those of you who don't know, I am going to on January 8th sit down with Brad Birkenfeld. Brad is the whistleblower behind the UBS Swiss banking case, the largest IRS award in history, 104 million. And he wrote a great book called Lucifer's Banker, and now issued Lucifer's Banker Uncensored. Okay, the original book, he had to take out all the famous people who had hidden Swiss bank accounts, their names under threat of a lawsuit. They're all back in. So click the link below, guys, January 8th. I think you're gonna find this to be fascinating. It's free. And we're gonna walk you through how to bring an IRS whistleblower case and make sure that it gets the IRS's attention and gets worked. All right, click the link. See you on the 8th.